Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful, elegant chignon hairstyle. To start, I've curled all the hair in the same direction. This doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm just going to leave a little bit of hair out around the face just to frame it on both sides. Divide the hair from the end of the eyebrow straight across and pop this into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. Clip this up and out of the way. And then we're just going to divide the rest of the hair in half and pop each half into a ponytail, again using a clear elastic band. So you should have 3 ponytails all together. Now I'm going to take some wax spray and apply it across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at pieces of the hair to create more volume and texture. Now we're going to take the top 2 ponytails and clip them out of the way for now. And working on that bottom one, I'm going to add some volume powder. Again, I'll pop it in the description for you. And I'm just going to loosely twist this a couple of times, and I'm going to bring it up to the left hand side of the elastic band and over the top, but I'm going to hold it to the left hand side. And where you've got your fingers, we're just going to pin it to the left hand side of that elastic band. And with the ends, smooth them out, and we're going to bring them back over to the left hand side, and we're going to pop them just above that second ponytail, and again secure with a few more bobby pins. Add a bit more wax spray to that little back to front S shape, and use your fingers to pinch and pull and really define that volume and texture. Now let your ponytails down, and again we're going to clip the top one away and we're going to work on the middle ponytail. And we're going to do the same steps, so add your volume powder, twist it loosely a couple of times and bring it up to the left hand side, holding on to the left hand side as you go, and bring the ends over the top and secure on the left hand side with a few bobby pins. And with those tail ends, smooth them out with your finger, and we're going to put them above that top ponytail. So as you can see, they kind of make a back to front sort of S shape, and then just secure these with a few more bobby pins. I like to keep my bobby pins closed. Apply your wax spray and gently pinch and pull. And we're going to do the same on the top ponytail, so again apply your volume powder. Twist it a couple of times loosely, bring it up to the left hand side and over the top of the elastic band. Make sure you hold the left hand side and then pin with a few bobby pins. And then with the tail ends, we're just going to again bring them up to the left, letting the curls do the work for you, so they just go back on themselves, and just pin in place. Apply your wax spray, pinch and pull, and then secure everything with some stronghold hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.